Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking a look at the Craft & Lore Port Wallet, in particular the limited edition Crosshatch Port Wallet. Let's check it out. Alright, let's take this out of the pouch and I'll give you guys a nice close-up of the limited edition Crosshatch Port Wallet by Craft & Lore here. And while you guys are checking this out, let's talk about some of the features. So the Port Wallet is made from a single piece of Italian vegetable tan full grain leather wrapped around itself, and it's saddle stitched by hand right here in the USA. It can hold between 8 to 10 credit cards and a couple bills in its 4 pockets. This limited Crosshatch Port Wallet is available in 2 colors, green and the one I have right here, whiskey. The Port Wallet is designed to be a unisex wallet and can be carried either in the front pocket or the rear pocket, and is specifically designed to slim down what you carry in your pockets. That's enough of the quick features. Let's talk dimensions. So the Port Wallet has a width of 2.75 inches and a height of 4 inches. And according to my weight test, it weighs exactly 1 ounce. That's 28 grams. So let's talk about this limited edition crosshatch design here. So the color and design is all hand dyed, which I thought was very cool. And when I first saw this design pop up, I was there on day 1 to order it. And this being my very first port wallet, I wasn't really sure what to expect. According to the website, the full grain leather weight right here is about 3.5 ounces. And it's Italian vegetable tan full grain leather, and you can tell, look, you can see all the imperfections right there. I love it. And checking out the saddle stitching right here a little bit closer, I think it's top-notch work. And as I already mentioned, this limited edition crosshatch design is available in 2 colors. There's a green color and a whiskey color. Obviously, this is the whiskey color, and I always gravitate towards the brown leathers. But taking a look at that green color online, maybe I should have went with that color because I have so many brown leather wallets, but I'm still pretty happy with this choice. Also, I really like the Craft & Lore logo right here, this little hatchet. I think this is really cool. So of course, this is designed to be a minimalist wallet. We have 4 pockets here. We have 1 pocket here in the back, 1 dead center here, and then 2 more right here in the front. But this front pocket here is specifically designed for bills. And I just want to say I'm really digging the design of this thing. It's just a single piece of leather that's wrapped around itself to create all these pockets. I love it. So it's supposed to hold between 8 to 10 cards and a few bills. So let's start stuffing some cards in here. So for me, I would probably keep my most used credit card or credit cards right here in the back. So I have 8 of my flat demo cards right here. So let's just take out 2, stick it in the back. Yeah, fits fine. Take another 3, put them dead center right here in that pocket. And then the other 3 flat cards in this top pocket right here. And yeah, since this is brand new, very, very tight. But just like with any other full grain leather wallet, you have to give it time to stretch out. Also, you have to be very consistent with how many cards you carry. For example, if you want to carry 3 cards in this front pocket, keep it at 3 cards because the leather is going to mold to those 3 cards. That's my little lesson for you guys today, but I'll move on. We only have 2 cards left to complete the 10, and I'm guessing I can fit 2 more cards back here in the quick access card slot in the back, and there's our total of 10. So now let's take a measurement of a fully loaded port wallet with 10 cards in there. So let me get the thickest portion of this wallet right there, and it is 0.61 inches, as you can see right there. So I only carry 7 cards at any given time, so I have this configured exactly the way I would carry it. 1 in the back here, 2 in the front pocket, and then 4 right dead center here. And right here I have 2 bills, so let's fold these into quarters, stick them in the front bill slot right there. Boom. So I know a lot of you don't like having your bills exposed like this, and if you don't, obviously this wallet isn't for you. But Craft & Lore designed this to be a minimalist wallet, and most minimalist wallets, you're gonna have your bills sticking out a little bit. At least all the minimalist wallets that I've reviewed. But overall, I really like this port wallet. I've heard a lot about it, and it's been requested on my channel more than a few times. And I'll say it again, I really like the design here. So if I want to get out this back credit card here, obviously that's super easy being right there in the back in the quick access card slot. And then the 2 cards right here in the front pocket, super simple, just use the fan method. And the 4 cards that I have dead center, a little bit harder to get out, but once you can get them out like that, once again, you can just do the fan method. I don't see anything wrong with the functionality of this wallet at all, especially if you only use 1 to 2 cards on a daily basis. I guess my only negative of this wallet would be if you're a cash carrier, this definitely wouldn't be for you. Only because this front pocket right here is designed to only carry a few bills. So if you carry more than a few bills on an everyday basis, this wallet isn't for you. But if you're someone like me who only uses bills in an emergency, then you might want to check this out, especially if you're looking to free up some of that pocket real estate, because the footprint of this port wallet is pretty small. And I'm pretty happy that I went with this limited edition crosshatch design. I think it's pretty unique. I don't have another wallet that even comes close to looking like this. And I have a ton of wallets, so I'm always looking for something different, and I think this one nails it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the Craft & Lore Port Wallet? I've been on a leather wallet kick lately, and I don't see myself stopping, especially when you have companies like Craft & Lore putting out wallets like this. It's super minimalist, very high quality, and made right here in the USA. What more can you want? Now, I picked this up for about 60 bucks on the Craft & Lore website. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave links below in my description box. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!